Failing to secure important documents can be a major issue. Losing your passport or travel documents is one of the quickest ways to ruin a trip. Without them, navigating borders, checking into hotels, or proving your identity becomes a major headache. Start by making multiple copies of your passport, visa, and any essential travel documents. Store these copies separately from the originals, keep one in your luggage, one in a secure online folder, and consider leaving another with a trusted friend or family member back home. Digital backups can be lifesavers if physical copies are lost. Invest in a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your passport and other valuables secure while exploring. Avoid placing these items in your back pocket or easily accessible bags, as pickpockets often target tourists. For added safety, use a hotel safe to store documents when they're not needed. Being prepared for the worst doesn't take much effort, but can save you from significant stress and delays. With your documents secure, you can travel confidently, knowing you're ready for anything.